guys, what's up? Welcome back to this week's video. So we're on our way today with Wade. Wade and Zana's in the back with the brother's car. We're off to stealth tuning in Sunningdale, around Blouberg area. There's a BM. They're having like a little park off and dyno day, so we're off there. We're a bit late. Wade's thinking of putting his car on the dyno just to get some numbers, and then if we're in time and if we can get a spot. We are a bit late, like I said, so I don't know if we're gonna get a spot, but if he does, he just wants to put it on, get some numbers. So if he does further modifications, he has an idea of where he's at the moment. What does this usually come out with? How many kilowatts?
Must be kind of correction, but I think about 225 kilowatts. Yeah, 220, somewhere around. Yeah.
So around 220, something like that. He says he think 225. I'll keep you posted if we do get onto the dyno and get some numbers. And then he's put on a
lower valve
induction,
and to an intake induction.
So car sounds like it's sneezing. It sounds quite nice. I hope you could hear that. But yeah, so we're on our way there now. Hopefully we can get a spot to put it on the dyno and then get some numbers for you guys. He's just busy signing up quickly, so I'm waiting for him to get back and then we're gonna get into the line. It's quite a nice turnout. There's quite a few cars basically just here. We're just here basically to get Wade's numbers, so when he does the future modifications that he has in mind, he has an idea of what he's got now and then what it is after the modification. So I think he's gonna get a spot. He's just going to the line to check if he can sign up still if we're in time. Okay, so Wade managed to get a spot. He's number 32. They're currently on number 17 at the moment, so we're gonna have a watch. We're gonna watch a couple of runs before Wade goes, and then once we get to Wade, I'll put him on GoPro as well, and then we'll see his numbers. Anna's excited for this car. How much do you think?
130
Placing
on the
bids?
130.
120.
Between 130 and 140.
Say 135. You're all off by far. Place your bids, Wade.
240.
Yeah.
230.
230.
230, yes.
What?
230.
230.
Yeah.
I'll say 230 as well. So out of all the cars that's been here, this is the neatest car that I've seen so far. Like 135s, GTIs, and this is the car that stood out the most for me personally. 16 valve, Mk2, extremely neat. Placing bets for Wade's car, Wade?
235.
235, Zana? 240.
250.
250, your Riaz being generous here. Very nervous there, no?
Ja, dat ik enorm, ja. I did now, I stole it. Everything. But I'm waiting, it looks like it's going away. IB-ish, DTC, everything.
I see oil also.
Wait a minute. Just below 120. Let me drive him go. James. Hey bro, all my lights on my dash are on. Look here. They say it's a common thing, you must drive the car but it should fade away. The airbag one did go away already. What's the dyno? That sets it off. I'm happy with that figures though.
Yeah, that's more than all I see it though.
Let's go. That's fine.
I see it will go away.
I Google it, they say it's a dyno, it will go away. I Google it now, they say once it's drive the car, it will go away by itself. Oh, let's all go into my new and have to do that.
Quite successful day. I think Wade is extremely happy with what he got. 250 torque, how much Newton meters?
Yo, I think
500 and something. Yeah, so
550.
250 with 550 Newton meters, I think, somewhere around that. Everyone was quite close with the predictions. We were off with most of our other predictions, but with Wade's car, we got fairly good predictions. Yeah, good on nice power. It'll be interesting to see what he puts out after he does what he's got planned, so we'll wait for that. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching.